I hate the snow, literally. I feel like Grinch whenever I say this, but I really don't like it. I just like when it's already here and seeing it. But since here in Korea I'm always walking outside, I don't like it. I really don't like it. Oh, I almost fell. See? This is what I'm talking about when I say I don't like it. No. I like how it looks. It looks pretty. Don't get me wrong. La 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 la.
¿Qué fue?
La, la.
No, no. Fue horrible, no.
I'm with my friend. We are going to eat. I'm struggling. Struggle. Let me open it. Yay! So big. So famous. Just this. Not even a letter? Love letter? No love letter for me? Just this? Okay. I ordered this. Lovely, lovely, lovely. The color is... Hello? Hello! Oh, here it is. Is it? Oh, yeah. Romantic antique. 5 5 5 5 5 5. For today's menu, we have this combo. I haven't eaten in the whole day, so maybe I'll finish it. But it's like famous combination, so we will see what happens. My goodness, my goodness. It is ready. I'm eating from here because I'm the only one eating. And some pak kimchi on your left. And yes, lovely. Let's try it.
Lovely, lovely, lovely.
Again, it's snowing again. Yay! So, this is how it looks right now. And I mean, I like how it looks, of course. This is what we are eating right now. Hello. We came to this famous Italian restaurant recommended by our Italian friend, but she's not here because she's not feeling good. Her stomach, but yeah, we came here to try it out first and then we can come again. Now that's the pasta, the pizza, the pasta. I am a dinosaur, as you can see. She still has, and I don't have. So I will try pasta. And one bread for me, one bread for my lady. The people here must be like, these ladies, what are they doing? But the pasta is really good. I like it a lot, actually. I think I've never had pasta like this, like mushroom pasta. I should use my spoon.
I like mushroom pasta.
Yeah, me too, but I've never had like mushroom pasta.
Have you ever had magic?
What is that? Now we took some pictures and now we are resting. Wow! My hair is like crazy. What happened to me? I don't know. I don't know. The bike is new. I don't know how to ride a bike, so perfect. So today we are here with Lana today. Lana. Oh my god, mom. And I'm trying this lipstick. I don't know, it's matte, but yeah. We're joined here by this lady too, and she bought that today. Where is it? My foot. Really? Where did it go? We're looking for our fork. Oh, thank you. Where is it? Give him the fork. Okay guys, so we're here. It's called Masa Tacos, and for me as a Mexican, it's the best place in Seoul for tacos. What do you think?
I'm curious. I have high expectations now.
So yeah, I wish they would sponsor me. Hello, guy, are you listening? Please sponsor me. But yeah, we came. We have been spending so much this month, but we had to meet with Landa. So yeah. Landa.
Who said that?
Who said
broke.
We got such a nice, elegant, fantastic. So I am trying this. I ordered this. This is famous Mexican like drink, or like street drink kind of. It's like mango, frozen mango with like sauce. Yeah. Our gorgeous tacos with corn tortilla.
So messy.
But these just got here. Oh my god. They sent me because like I was part of this. But I had no idea they would put us like on the actual packaging of the mask. This is so cool. Let me show you. Apparently you're supposed to put them. She showed us right back there when we took the pictures. Oh, what? Okay, like this. Wow. It's kind of big, but it's fine. It's nice. And see, it has that thing. So yeah, this is one. It looks weird, the color combo, but let's see. This is how it looks like. And on the other side, it has the sizes and caution, whatever. I like this color. And we got this one as well. It's like, oh, I like this one. It's like dark brown, or not dark but brown. They're a little bit big for me, but they had smaller size. I wonder what happened with that. Here are my masks. So yeah, you might see me with them, you might not, I don't know. They're too big. Like if I talk for a while, they might go like down. I have something to show you.